Welcome back for another Fetch AI price prediction analysis video, and at the time of this recording, Fetch AI continues to hold below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as resistance for us to continue gearing up. We are also holding above support at around the $0.5 mark, and as long as that key area of support continues to hold, we can expect another bounce back in the next coming hours here on the Fetch AI chart. But if by any chance the market continues to show some weakness and maybe we lose that significant area of support, then I will be watching out for support at around the $0.45 mark. And all these movements have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures. And zooming out on the charts to give you my Elliot wave analysis, which is going to give me my short-term price action that I'm expecting in the next coming hours, you can see that after getting a significant low on the 17th of August, we saw these push to the upper side, giving us the formation of that wave 1 to the upper side. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 2, another push in the formation of this wave 3, then a wave 4, and then finally we saw that massive breakout to the upper side, giving us a high above the $0.58 mark in the formation of that wave 5, completing an even larger Elliott wave count 1 to the upper side. And after seeing the formation of that larger Elliott wave count 1, whatever we expected next is a bit of a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2. And this is my primary scenario that I'm expecting to play out in the next coming hours here on the Fetch AI chart. And once we have a low in place for the second wave, I will be expecting to see a reversal to the upper side, breaking above resistances and significant highs in an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And the minimum target areas for the second wave can be given using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.382 and the fib level 0.618, and that is between the $0.4238 mark and the $0.3251 mark, which is the minimum target area within which we can expect this pullback to get us into, give us a low in place for the second wave, and then see a reversal to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. So in the next coming hours, if by any chance Fetch AI loses significant areas of support, maybe at around the 0.5 and maybe at around the $0.45 mark, watch out for a deeper pullback into this red target area. Expect to get a low in place for that wave 2. Then from that point we should see a reversal to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And that is what I'm watching out on the short term here on the Fetch AI chart. Zooming out even further to now give you my long-term Elliott wave analysis that I'm expecting to play out once the bull market is here. You can see that last year Fetch AI gave us this low at around the $0.0525 mark before we peaked in a 5-wave structure, giving us a high above the $0.61 mark, completing the formation of this larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a pullback in the formation of a larger Elliott wave count 2. Minimum target areas highlighted on the charts using this red target area, which is an area that we fully maximized, and there are high chances that we are now seeing that reaction to the upper side in what could be the start of a higher Elliott wave count 3 to the upper side, whose minimum target areas can be given using the trend-based Fibonacci, connecting it from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for the third wave at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the $1 mark, which is the minimum that we can expect that wave 3 to the upper side to do. So whatever we are seeing at the moment could be the start of that impulsive wave, taking us above the $1 mark in the next coming weeks. And that is what I'm watching out on the short term and also on the long term here on the Fetch AI chart. and I hope that video was of much help to you, and I hope to catch you in the next one.